Listen closely, because this could be the most important discovery for your eyesight you'll hear all year. Many folks, especially as we get a little older, simply accept blurry vision as an inevitable part of life. You know the feeling, those dry, scratchy mornings, the menu suddenly going fuzzy mid-sentence, or how car headlights at night feel like blinding lasers. But here's the shocking truth. What if this isn't just old age at all? What if you're experiencing a silent, hidden assault on your precious vision, one that happens every single night while you sleep, without you even knowing it? Imagine waking up with the world clearer, sharper, and brighter, seeing every detail of your loved ones' faces, reading without squinting, and driving confidently after dusk, but you're unknowingly sabotaging that very possibility each time you close your eyes. The American Optometric Association confirms that after 60, your eyes become far more delicate, making conditions like dry eyes, cataracts, or macular degeneration much more common. And terrifyingly, the National Eye Institute warns that vision loss in America is soaring at an unprecedented rate, leaving countless seniors feeling isolated and losing their independence. The true danger lies in what happens when you're unconscious. Each night, your retina, the crucial light-sensitive part of your eye, can be starved of vital oxygen. This silent process causes the very cells responsible for clear sight to begin breaking down, often without a single warning, until the damage is extensive. For years, we've been told that expensive eye drops, stronger prescription glasses, or even invasive surgery are the only answers. But let's be frank, these often just mask the problem, treating symptoms rather than addressing the core issue. That's why the vision care industry rakes in billions annually, while too many older adults continue to grapple with frustrating blurriness and irreversible vision loss. A groundbreaking 2023 study published in JAMA Ophthalmology revealed that age-related retinal damage frequently starts with silent changes, specifically oxidative stress and chronic inflammation within the eye. And here's the crucial part. These destructive processes are most active at night, precisely when your eyes should be recovering and repairing themselves. However, there's a beacon of hope emerging from cutting-edge research. Scientists have recently uncovered that certain common everyday fruits contain potent compounds that your eyes actively crave during your sleep cycle. These remarkable nutrients have the power to regenerate damaged photoreceptor cells, dramatically improve blood flow to your retina, and even slow the progression of macular degeneration, which is the #1 cause of central vision loss among seniors. This means you might finally be able to begin restoring your crystal clear vision naturally, safely, and effortlessly while you simply sleep, without relying solely on countless prescription bottles or costly medical procedures. And brace yourself for an even bigger surprise. The #1 fruit on this list, a fruit where most people actually discard its best part, contains a rare compound shown to delay cataract formation by an astonishing 40%. Before we dive into these incredible natural solutions, please share your current vision struggles in the comments below. I'm eager to read every message and respond. As always, remember this information is for educational purposes only and should never replace professional medical advice. Consult your doctor or an eye care professional for any vision changes or health concerns. Let's begin our countdown with a small fuzzy fruit you might already have tucked away in your fridge, the kiwi, coming in at #7. You might pass it by in the grocery store, thinking it's just a plain little fruit, but for your eyes, especially as we age, it's a silent powerhouse. As we grow older, the retina, that delicate inner lining of your eye responsible for capturing light and sending images to your brain, naturally becomes more fragile. It accumulates what's known as oxidative stress, leading to cells wearing down. This is why you start squinting at road signs, experience starbursts from headlights, or wake up to frustratingly blurry morning vision. This isn't just aging, it's damage. The fantastic news is that kiwi is packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, two nutrients your eyes absolutely need. Think of them as your eye's own internal sunglasses, diligently filtering out harmful blue light and shielding your vision even while you sleep. Beyond these, kiwi offers a unique blend of antioxidants and even serotonin, all working synergistically to help your eyes repair themselves overnight. This isn't theory. Research in the Journal of Nutrition and Healthy Aging found that seniors who ate just 2 golden kiwis experienced noticeable improvements in vision sharpness and significantly less dryness and redness upon waking. Imagine a simple fruit actively helping to repair your vision naturally. To reap these benefits, keep it simple. Consume 2 golden kiwis, not the green variety, about an hour before bed. Golden kiwis offer more lutein, are less acidic, and are gentler on your stomach at night. And here's a crucial pro tip many people miss. Don't peel it completely. That thin layer directly under the skin contains a potent antioxidant called caffeic acid. Just scoop out the flesh with a spoon, leaving that valuable edge intact. A humble kiwi can truly be a game changer for sharper night vision, offering a step toward healthier eyes without another pill or procedure. Next, at number 6, is a fruit you likely adore in the summertime: watermelon. While renowned for its refreshing qualities, few realize its immense hydrating power for your eyes, especially at night. If you've ever wondered why your vision seems particularly blurry in the morning, pay close attention. As we age, our eyes can become dry and stiff due to reduced blood flow, contributing to that irritating morning blur. Watermelon, being over 90% water, naturally aids hydration, but its magic goes deeper. It's rich in lycopene, a potent antioxidant strongly linked to reducing oxidative damage in retinal cells and offering potential protection against age-related issues like cataracts and macular degeneration. Observational studies also show that regular watermelon eaters tend to have higher levels of lutein and zeaxanthin, both crucial for vision health. Even more compelling, research suggests watermelon extract can boost nitric oxide levels, improving peripheral blood flow. This improved circulation means better oxygen and nutrient delivery to your eyes as you sleep. For optimal results, enjoy 1 to 2 cups of chilled seedless watermelon about 30 minutes before bed, but skip the salt as it can elevate eye pressure, a major risk factor for irreversible vision loss, according to the Glaucoma Research Foundation. Here's a surprising pro tip. Don't discard the rind. The white part near the skin is rich in citrulline, which supports healthy blood vessel function and could further boost nighttime eye nourishment. Coming in at number 5 is a fruit often overlooked by many: black currants. These tiny, deep purple berries may appear unassuming, but for your eyes, they possess a quiet, formidable power. Their key role is in combating retinal microinflammation and poor blood flow, hidden issues that, over time, can lead to blurry vision, disruptive halos around headlights, or severe eye strain in dim light, problems no pair of glasses can fully resolve. The secret lies in their rich content of anthocyanins. These potent pigments are incredible. They calm inflammation, gently widen blood vessels, and even support the regeneration of rhodopsin, the visual pigment essential for your eyes to adapt to darkness. Scientific studies underscore their effectiveness. In a randomized, placebo-controlled study involving glaucoma patients, a daily intake of just 50 mg of blackcurrant anthocyanins over 24 months significantly enhanced blood flow to the optic nerve head and retinal areas. Crucially, it also slowed the worsening of visual field loss compared to the placebo group, suggesting a protective effect on overall vision health, especially for conditions like open-angle glaucoma. Further pilot studies on patients with normal tension glaucoma observed that blackcurrant anthocyanins increased retinal blood flow without lowering eye pressure and even normalized endothelin-1 levels, a compound involved in blood vessel narrowing, highlighting their neuroprotective potential. For seniors, improving dark adaptation, the ability to adjust quickly from bright to dim environments, is a common challenge, and blackcurrant anthocyanins have shown remarkable promise in this area. If fresh blackcurrants are hard to find, opt for about 50 mg of blackcurrant anthocyanin extract daily, ideally in the evening with your other fruits. For enhanced benefits, pair them with a small dollop of healthy fat or a vitamin C-rich food, as this nutrient synergy significantly improves absorption. At number 4, we have blueberries. a fruit likely already in your fridge, but most people consume them in a way that tragically cancels out their remarkable eye healing power. So, what critical problem do these little berries tackle? Blueberries directly target oxidative damage in your photoreceptors. These are the minuscule cells in your retina that are slowly and silently breaking down, impacting your ability to focus, see fine details, and adapt to varying light conditions. Over the years, constant UV exposure and the natural aging process diminish your eye's defenses, leading to chronic squinting, bothersome blurry vision at night, or that frustrating question, why is my vision blurry even with my glasses on? The true magic of blueberries lies in their abundance of pterostilbene, a compound akin to resveratrol but far more absorbable. It possesses the rare ability to cross the blood-retinal barrier, directly repairing DNA damage within your light-sensitive cells. This unique action is precisely why blueberries stand out as one of the best foods for natural vision improvement. The science is robust. A 2023 study published in Nutritional Neuroscience showed that older adults who ate wild blueberries daily for 12 weeks experienced a substantial 32% improvement in visual acuity. This means they could see small details much more clearly and reported significantly less squinting when using digital screens at night. But here's the often overlooked secret: not all blueberries are created equal. Those shiny, cultivated berries you often find in stores frequently have lower antioxidant power. It's the wild blueberries, those smaller, darker ones, that pack nearly double the nutrient punch. To harness their full potential, consume about 1/3 of a cup of wild blueberries 45 minutes before bed. And for a crucial pro tip, avoid mixing them with dairy. The proteins in milk can bind to anthocyanins, effectively blocking their absorption. Instead, try lightly freezing and then thawing them. This process gently breaks down the cell walls, making their powerful antioxidants more bioavailable, ensuring your eyes can truly utilize them while you sleep. Imagine how something as simple as switching to wild blueberries could naturally sharpen your vision, reduce nighttime squinting, and preserve your eyesight for years to come. Moving on to number 3 is a truly unexpected fruit, exotic and vibrant red inside, with the power to significantly boost oxygen delivery to your eyes while you sleep. If you often wake up feeling like your eyes are tired even after a full night's rest, this one will truly surprise you: dragon fruit. You've undoubtedly seen it in the store with its striking pink exterior, but the real marvel resides within its deep red flesh. For your eyes, it's a genuine game changer, tackling a critical issue called retinal hypoxia. This is a fancy way of saying your eyes aren't receiving enough oxygen at night. When this occurs, you can get a full 8 hours of sleep and still wake with heavy, tired eyes, or notice your peripheral vision starting to blur. Left unaddressed, it can even lead to permanent vision loss in one eye over time. Dragon fruit's power comes from its abundance of betalains, rare antioxidants that supercharge nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide in turn gently widens your tiny capillaries, those minuscule blood vessels in your eyes. More open capillaries mean a greater flow of oxygen, more essential nutrients, and superior repair work while you're in deep sleep. The scientific evidence supporting this is compelling. A 2022 study in Frontiers in Aging Biology demonstrated that participants who consumed red dragon fruit extract for 6 weeks experienced a remarkable 26% increase in ocular blood oxygen levels, coupled with significant improvements in contrast sensitivity and visual field depth. In simpler terms, they could discern more detail in dim light, and their frustrating blurry vision notably improved. To incorporate this into your routine, eat half of a red flesh dragon fruit about an hour before bed. Make sure to pick varieties with that deep magenta interior, as the white varieties don't offer the same benefits. And here's a vital pro tip: don't swallow the little black seeds whole. Chew them thoroughly. These tiny powerhouses contain omega-3 fatty acids and magnesium, both absolutely critical for repairing your retinal nerves, yet most people gulp them down, losing out on these benefits. Picture this. Instead of waking with tired, foggy eyes, you greet the morning with a clearer, more refreshed perspective. That's the profound impact of allowing dragon fruit to work its magic overnight. At number 2, we find goji berries, a fruit revered for thousands of years in traditional medicine, whose wisdom modern science is now finally confirming. If the thought of macular degeneration stealing your central vision concerns you, then these potent little berries could become your vital shield. For over 2 millennia, these bright red berries have been a cornerstone of traditional Chinese medicine, celebrated for their ability to combat tired, aging eyes. Today's rigorous scientific research is unequivocally proving the ancients were right all along. The primary issue goji berries target is macular thinning. Your macula, the central part of your retina, is absolutely essential for reading fine print, recognizing faces, and experiencing the vivid spectrum of colors. As we age, oxidative stress and diminished circulation gradually wear down this delicate area, making macular thinning one of the leading culprits behind blurry vision and the reason so many older adults struggle with central vision loss. The secret weapon within goji berries, they are one of nature's richest sources of zeaxanthin. Consider zeaxanthin as a specialized shield specifically for the very center of your vision. While lutein protects the outer retina, zeaxanthin hones in precisely where you need it most, for sharp, focused central eyesight. The scientific evidence is truly impressive. A 2021 study published in Nutrients followed adults aged 60 to 80 who consumed just 5 tablespoons of dried goji berries 5 days a week for 90 days. The results were astounding. Participants showed a significant increase in macular pigment density, and not a single one experienced further progression of macular degeneration during the study period. For anyone fearing the loss of independence due to macular disease, this is monumental news. To incorporate these into your evening routine, simply soak about 2 tablespoons of dried goji berries in warm water for 10 minutes, then consume them half an hour before bed. Soaking not only makes them easier to digest, but also enhances nutrient absorption. And for an expert tip, pair them with a small square of dark chocolate, at least 85% cacao. The flavonoids present in cocoa work synergistically to help your body absorb even more zeaxanthin, creating a powerful combination that provides an extra layer of protection for your eyes. Imagine this transformation. Instead of squinting at your phone, struggling with recipes, or feeling your confidence wane, you look ahead and experience the world with sharp, vibrant clarity. Goji berries can genuinely be a cornerstone in your journey to naturally fix blurry vision and safeguard against macular degeneration. And now for number 1, the ultimate fruit for your eyes. It's humble, readily available, and likely sitting on your kitchen counter right now. Yet, when consumed correctly, it wields incredible power against one of the most destructive processes behind blurry vision, cloudy lenses, and the onset of cataracts. You might not expect it, but the unassuming papaya stands as one of the most powerful fruits for your eye health. The secret lies not just in eating it, but in consuming it at the optimal time and in the right way. This extraordinary fruit actively battles a hidden enemy called glycation. This occurs when excess sugar in your bloodstream unbinds itself to proteins in your delicate eye tissues, forming sticky, harmful compounds that gradually cloud your lenses and damage your retina. Glycation is one of the most overlooked yet primary causes of chronic blurry vision, foggy lenses, and indeed, the insidious early stages of cataracts. Papaya is packed with papain, a powerful natural enzyme specifically designed to break down these detrimental compounds. Beyond that, it's a treasure trove of vitamins A, C, E, and folate, a potent combination proven to fortify your tear film, shield your retina, and even help stabilize your prescription. The scientific community wholeheartedly backs this up. In 2023, a study published in Clinical Gerontology revealed that older adults who ate papaya at night experienced lower levels of glycation markers, enhanced tear production, and a noticeable improvement in contrast vision within a mere 6 weeks. For seniors grappling with dry eyes, morning blurriness, or the early signs of cataracts, papaya proved to be an absolute game changer. To integrate this into your routine, consume 1 cup of ripe papaya cubes about an hour before bed. The crucial detail here is that it should be fresh and at room temperature. Refrigeration suppresses the essential enzyme activity. Also, avoid pairing it with dairy, as that interferes with papain's efficacy. Here's a brilliant pro tip. Drizzle a little fresh lime juice over your papaya. Not only does it brighten the flavor, but the vitamin C in lime significantly boosts the absorption of vitamin A, providing your eyes with even greater support. Imagine this new reality. Instead of struggling with cloudy, blurry mornings, you wake up to eyes that feel clearer, more comfortable, and ready to truly see the world. That is the remarkable power of papaya, a simple, natural step toward restoring crisp vision and proactively guarding against long-term vision loss. You now have the incredible list of 7 fruits. But here's the critical part almost everyone overlooks. How you eat them is just as vital as what you eat. Failing to follow these specific rules could inadvertently cancel out all the profound eye-healing benefits you seek. Let's go through them together. Rule number 1, never mix them with calcium-heavy foods. This one surprises many. If you eat your papaya or blueberries immediately after a glass of milk, yogurt, or even fortified cereal, you're actively blocking the absorption of crucial lutein and zeaxanthin. A 2021 study revealed that seniors who combined high calcium meals with antioxidant-rich fruits absorbed up to 30% less of the very nutrients their eyes desperately needed. So, ensure there's a generous gap. Wait at least 90 minutes. Think of your fruit as a dedicated standalone bedtime snack. Rule number 2, always pair them with a little healthy fat. This is a clever trick to naturally boost your vision. Most of the beneficial nutrients in these fruits are fat-soluble. This means your body simply cannot fully utilize them without the presence of some healthy fat. Try adding a few walnuts, a teaspoon of flaxseed oil, or even a thin slice of avocado to your fruit. Research has consistently shown that this simple step can skyrocket absorption by over 50%. Imagine, half the effort for double the benefit. Rule number 3, wash gently. Do not scrub. We all want clean fruit, but aggressively washing under strong running water actually scrubs off a huge portion of the precious antioxidants. This is especially true for blueberries and black currants, where most of the protective power resides directly in their delicate skin. Instead, simply rinse gently under cool water and lightly pat dry. Also, wash them right before you intend to eat, not hours beforehand, ensuring those vital nutrients are still active and potent when your eyes need them most. Rule number 4, room temperature is optimal. While cold fruit can be refreshing, refrigeration can unfortunately shut down key enzymes your body needs to effectively repair your eyes. Papain in papaya, for instance, drastically loses its activity below 50° F. Make it a habit to take your fruit out of the fridge 30 to 60 minutes before you plan to eat it. This way, when you enjoy your nighttime snack, your digestive system can process it optimally, allowing your eyes to fully benefit. Rule number 5, timing is everything. This might just be the single most crucial rule. Consume your fruit approximately 60 to 90 minutes before settling into bed. Eat it too early, and your body might flush out the nutrients before your eyes truly begin their vital nighttime repair cycle. Eat it too late, and the ongoing digestion process can interfere with the quality of your deep, restorative sleep. Hit that perfect sweet spot, and the nutrients will be perfectly available and circulating right when your eyes enter their natural peak nighttime repair phase. Just consider this profound possibility. Simply by making these thoughtful adjustments to how you eat these remarkable fruits, you could transform them from mere snacks into extraordinarily powerful tools for your precious vision health. Imagine the newfound freedom of effortlessly reading a menu without squinting, confidently driving at night without fear, or simply waking up without that persistently frustrating, blurry vision. You now understand that blurry vision isn't just an unavoidable consequence of getting older. It's frequently the result of hidden nighttime damage. And with the right fruits, consumed in the correct way, your eyes have an incredible capacity to repair and rejuvenate themselves while you simply sleep. Imagine truly seeing every beautiful detail of your grandchildren's faces, comfortably losing yourself in a favorite book, or navigating the evening roads with renewed peace of mind. These natural, actionable steps aren't just about marginally improving vision. They are about fiercely protecting your independence, reclaiming your joy in life, and seeing the world with the clarity you deserve for years to come. Now, I'd love to hear from you. If your eyesight suddenly became 30% clearer overnight, what would be the very first thing you'd choose to look at? Your family, a breathtaking sunset, or perhaps the morning paper without strain? Share your answer in the comments below. I read every single one and would be honored to cheer you on. If you found this video genuinely helpful, please don't keep it a secret. Hit that like button, subscribe for more simple and natural ways to combat blurry vision and thrive as you age. And most importantly, share this with a friend or family member over 60. You truly might just change their life. Remember, you are never alone on this journey. With the right knowledge and a few surprisingly simple habits, you possess the innate power to protect your vision and continue seeing the world clearly, vibrantly, and independently. Did you know that, according to a special report from the American Foundation for the Blind, approximately 250 older adults in the US begin losing their eyesight every single day?